folks. Hi, Richard Smith here, and I work in emergency planning for the government. First thing that hit me about the course was the broad base of, let's say, raw talent that's been invited to it. I know very little about computers, but the rest of the people taking part, there was other people who knew a lot of knowledge. So to give it a bit of context, the training was broke down that we could all understand. And a lot of it was complex, but it was explained in a way through diagrams and situational awareness as to what we could all understand. You didn't need to be Bill Gates to understand this. You could be anybody, you could be Joe Bloggs. And what I took from this is didn't understand or have a real education as to the threats that's out there. I think it's the scales have fallen from my eyes now. I'll be taking this away and informing others in the company. I believe in my office alone, there's 3 people who have done this course and they've found it very helpful, very worthwhile. So thanks very much, Amar. You've been a great trainer. And as I said before, you broke it down into bite-sized chunks, very understandable. You gave us good breaks when we needed it because it is a hard subject at times. I think that's about it.